This brand is made in China and the units can be purchased through their website or on Amazon. All of the units have a 3-speed fan and 3 stages of air filtration with a pre-filter, a carbon filter, and a true HEPA air filter. The Gala model features a built-in air quality sensor that can automatically adjust the operation of the unit based on the quality of the room air. They have a sleep mode and a night light with a coverage area of 180 square feet, a CADR rating of 58.9 CFM, and a noise rating of 24 decibels, which is much less than a whisper. The Kilo model is a basic 3-stage purifier with a 7-color LED light built in. They are available in black or white and are very quiet with a 22 decibel noise rating in low speed. They can cover an area of 220 square feet and have an 82.4 CFM clean air delivery rate (CADR) rating. The Max units are for larger rooms with a 550 square feet coverage rating and a 235.4 CFM delivery rating. They have a smart filter replacement indicator as well as an auto mode and an air quality monitor to maximize efficiency. The Mage Pro units are Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled with Alexa voice commands. They have a 1,500 square feet coverage area with a 353.1 CFM delivery rating and are very quiet with a 22 decibel noise rating.